this. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to encourage our colleagues on the other side. I want to encourage my good friend who just spoke. In my hometown, we say Papano. Papano. I want to encourage Papano to take some time and follow the structure of this constitution and to start. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity.
To use words that are acceptable and to come to Parliament to employ those words used on social media, we take strong objection to it. If you don't withdraw, we will recognize you today as minister. We will refer to you as minister. We will not do what you do. From today, we will recognize you as minister of this republic, and we will not afford you any respect. Let's close to the door. What do you mean? What do you take us for? What do you take us for? So, Papano accepted. From today, on this day, we will not report as a minister of state. We will give you a name. We will give you a name. We will give you a name. When you take it, you go. Good. We will not, and we are saying it. He was elected just like you, and his constituents respect him, and him that respect. You can't take this back. Before you people use Papano on social media, you know what it means. You have lost my respect as minority leader from today. We will match with you. We will match with you.
We cannot do that. So, Mr. Speaker, as I said, and as we said by my colleague, we in minority are not going to be part of this, and for that matter, we will not support it. Thank you very much. Steelers! Who is that? Honorable Majority Leader, that the Majority Leadership wish to make another contribution. Do the Majority Leadership wish to make any further contribution?
Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, I'm not hearing what